Bonjour. I'm here with the X-E5. By here I mean the town of Belfort in east of France. The stars have kind of aligned for this video. As a 70th birthday present to my dad, I've taken him away to see a building that we both want to see, the famous chapel by Corbusier, Le Corbusier. And the day before leaving, got a message from Park Cameras, the local camera store, to me that the X-E5 had arrived with, of course, the item that I'm most excited about, the 23mm pancake, 35mm equivalent. Yesterday I was able to use it for the first time at a building that's been on a joint bucket list, and now I'm in Belfort. The town's waking up, the shutters are, you can hear them grind up, the Peugeots, Citroens, Renaults are all kicking into first, second gear, and of course there's a smell of bread. So the main aim, and look at that, the bell's ringing for 8 o'clock. So how many was that? This is very French. Everyone's waking up, getting their first bake. So for this episode, I thought I would do straight out of camera. I think that will probably be most helpful, especially given it's a new camera and a lot of people are considering whether to buy it, as well as the 23mm. In terms of an opinion piece and maybe something maybe a bit more in depth, that will follow, maybe in a couple of weeks or something. And by the way, it's an extremely uncomfortable camera to hold because I forgot to bring the means to attach my Peak Design anchors to the eyelets of the X-E5. So I've been gripping it tight and that metal base plate has been cutting into my finger, my little pinky. But yeah, just on the point of why this chapel, it's by Le Corbusier, or Corb, as the Brits might say, and it's one of his crown jewels, one of a few probably. And I found out that this building that Corbusier designed started construction, or was completed, sorry, 40 days after my dad was born. So they've essentially got the same birthday. They both turned 70 this year, and because it turned 70, it got a bit of love the past couple years in terms of refurb.